Hey everyone, Mark Warren here. Been really waiting a long time to be able to do this. I fooled around with different types of equipment for real estate. A lot of you know that I'm in real estate. Been really excited about getting my commercial drone certificate, which I just received here just in the last week or so, at least the temporary. My permanent will be here in a week or so. But anyway, really pumped about being able to get out there and use this little toy right here. And it really isn't a toy. This is the Inspire 2, which is used in Hollywood. There's a lot of other places, and you can put different cameras on it, infrared cameras. You can put all sorts of high-end types of lenses and things of that nature on it. So I'm really excited to be able to use this in my real estate business, where we serve a lot of different clientele, from residential to land to industrial and so forth, and this is going to really come in handy. So anyway, I'm pumped. I'm just going to kind of show you a small little demo of this machine and what it can do. Weather's not really going to cooperate with us today too much, so we're only going to do a little takeoff and a little maneuvering and such. But I'll try to add in a couple of videos that I've done in the past with this particular drone, just as a hobby, just playing around here. So anyway, let's get it going here and let's take a look. So you can see the screen right now, and it is showing that it, it's camera zone and so forth. I don't have a lot of battery right now, but anyway, we'll crank it up. I'm gonna do it just in the automatic mode at first, so you can just get an idea of how it works a little bit. It's kind of cool. You can see that the landing gear retracts once it comes up. And I have a lot of control. I move it left or move it right. Or I can just let it sit there and hover, which is really cool. It'll stay there. I can put the unit and keep it down, just put it down or whatever, and it'll sit there and just basically hover. So now I'm going to just do an automatic landing. There it is. Anyway, pretty cool. Really excited. Till next time. See you later.